This one right here.
If you didn't have fun, my name is Joe. In the back was Joe. This was the jungle cruise. We're almost done.
What? What? No, you're great. Close our.
Alright, look down, watch your stomach. Let the box behind you.
Well, I just won. Oh, okay. That's the one thing you were. All right. Oh, right there. Okay.
So, Mike, look at me. Put your left hand. Where's your left hand? Raise it. Nope.
Okay.
Left hand on top of here and go like that.
I'm just gonna low in the water.
Alright, folks, so you guys ready to paddle?
Yes.
Damn, all two of you. Alright, folks, here we go. Please stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, fingers, paddles inside till wrist tells you otherwise. Parents, watch your kids. Good luck, folks. I'll see you guys in 45, okay?
No.
45 days. Duck.
Well, they didn't tell us to paddle yet.
They didn't. Oh,
No.
Howdy, folks.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Come on, guys, do better.
Guys, it's after 12. I know we can do better than that. We're all awake. Here we go. Howdy, folks.
Howdy!
There we go. How are we doing today?
Woo!
Good, good to hear, good to hear. Oh my gosh, me, I'm doing great as well. Thank you guys so much for asking. Alright guys, are we ready to paddle?
Sure thing.
I hope so, because we already left the dock. That's the only way we're getting back. Here we go, guys. Paddles up nice and high. Make sure that blade is over the water, not in front of your partner's face. Inner hand will be on top of that fish tail, outer hand on top of the blade. On the count of 3, we're going to reach forward, dig deep, and pull that water back. Right, my friends? I said on the count of 3.
Yeah, wait. Count of 3. Count of 3.
I never got to 1. Alright, let's try that again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and stroke. 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 Alrighty, guys. It's worse than I thought. Now remember, canoeing is a big game of follow the leader. So please make sure to follow that paddle in front of you. If they take 1 stroke, you take 1 stroke. If they take 2 strokes, you take 2 strokes. Now if they stop paddling, you throw them overboard and you keep paddling. That's right, guys. Let me be the first to welcome you to the world famous Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes. First, we also like to call it Disneyland's complimentary upper body workout. That's right, guys. My name is Riz and I'll be your personal trainer for the next fun-filled 45 minutes. Right, guys, I said fun-filled. Now, 45 minutes is based on our current speed and lack of enthusiasm. And in the back of the boat steering us, keeping us safe today is my best friend, the beautiful, the wonderful Meg. Everyone turn around, give her a big howdy.
Howdy!
That's right, guys. Meg brings up an excellent point and brings us to rule number 1. Never stop paddling unless I say otherwise.
Sorry.
Because
No problem.
if we go row, we know go. That's right, this is a real life canoe, no track, no motor, no pulley, no kidding. Rule number 2, please no standing up or switching sides. Because if you fall overboard, you will be staying overboard. This water is deep and disgusting, and I don't get paid enough to go in after you. I will just raise my hand and wave goodbye. Rule number 3, please no intentional splashing. Like I said, this water is a lovely shade of gross. Don't worry though if it gets in your mouth. Just chew before you swallow. Alright guys, are we ready to go faster?
Faster? I'm dying already.
Alright guys, I'm gonna sit down and help you
You got a boost? Almost feel like we need like a drummer or something to keep us in sync.
My little guys and I don't have the same cadence.
My boat.
Or it goes as slow as you're going, James.
Alrighty, guys, give me about 4 good strokes. We'll take a quick break. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3,
Hey!
and 4. Alright,
Four?
guys, great job. Go ahead and take a break. Give yourselves a round of applause. You made it.
Halfway.
That's right, sir, halfway. Now, guys, right over here we do have Tom Sawyer's Island, or as I like to call it, Disneyland Daycare. If there are any rides the little ones aren't tall enough for, or you just want a break, go ahead and drop them off. Please pick them up by 5, though, the time the island closes. Anyone left over is rounded up. We take them to Small World, glue their feet to the floor. That's how they start their Disney careers.
Yes.
Meg and I have been here for a while. Still can't find my mom. Alright, guys. Now before we get on out of here, I want to try a new paddling technique with you guys. I like to call it paddling together. What's the key word there?
Together?
Paddling.
Oh.
Together would just be a bonus at this point. Here we go. Paddles up, guys. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and stroke. 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 And smile.
Oh,
Alright, guys. I'm going to sit down and help you out again. Make you look good. Remember, keep paddling, and you'll get a very long break at the end of that second half.
Oh, now we got an audience. Oh, we're gonna hit the boat.
Here, we can throw you right on there now. Come aboard.
Uh-oh.
I'll be your captain for this journey.
We can outrun the boat.
Why do we get ahead of it?
Yeah. It's encouragement to roll faster.
Well, it gets all choppy behind you too.
Yeah.
That's where
I feel like I'm doing this like...
you are.
Okay, I'm gonna do small.
Oh, there's fantastic. Oh, he's fixing the dragon. Water. I think we're almost there.
Alrighty, guys, keep it going strong. We are almost done. With lap number 1. Alright, guys.
So it's a
While our
marathon.
practice lap is lap 2, I do like to focus on speed. I will be timing you. Lap 3 will be about endurance, no breaks. Now, guys, my personal favorite is lap 4. The kids get out and they push. Yup, it'll be
Perfect.
the fastest lap.
Do you need help,
ever.
Goober?
That's right, guys. I hope you know how to swim. Or at least yeah. Alright, guys. Give me 4 good strokes and we'll be done.
Okay.
Nice.
That is a workout.
So guys, I heard you can tell the quality of a ride based on the length of its line. This is a bad example. Alright guys, if you enjoyed yourselves, my name is Ruth. In the back you have Meg. Please give her a hand for getting you back safe. If you guys had absolutely no fun at all, my name is Anna. In the back with Alpha. And you guys can let it go. Alright guys, go ahead and stay fully seated for me. Stay fully seated. Alright, ready for round 2. Woo! Listen, guys, speed is important. So the more paddles in the water at the same time, the faster this boat goes. I'm just kidding, guys. Go ahead and stay fully seated. We'll get you guys out in just a moment. Alrighty, guys, are we ready to paddle? Guys, what are you waiting for? Get out!
Oh, we can get out?
Please hold under those paddles. Drop them off over by the stairs only. Little ones with life jackets, please keep them on until you're away from the water. One of my friends will help you guys out.
Sorry. Oh, it out? Oh, there's a paddle drop off.
Have a good day, guys.
Okay.
Oh,